when you first get your iPad AED, it will come in a cardboard box, and also there'll be an air-filled sack bag around it as well. So you can remove that and then take out the components. So the first thing you want to do is just check you've got everything and you know what is what. So look at the components you've got. So inside the main initial quick start instructions, you'll see all the components you have in your unit itself, what you should be. So just cross check. So we have the carry case, which is also there to protect it. So it's much stronger. It just unzips, you just pop the unit in. It's a little window on the front so you can see the display easily. You have the main AED unit itself, the quick guide and the main instructions, the battery and the AED starter kit. So just looking at this unit here, initially it just comes in outer packaging. The AED starter kit has got all the components inside there. So this will be things like your tough cut shears and the razor and gloves and things. Don't open that, just leave it in its bag so it's complete. So that can just stay as it is. The battery will come in a cardboard box. So just literally open that up, have a look at the battery, make sure it's all okay, because you're going to need to put that in the unit soon. The main manual, the manuals are there, so it shows you how to use this particular unit we're showing you here is the SP1 Auto, but the components inside the other iPad ranges are going to be pretty much the same. And then you've got the quick start guide. So these are all the main parts you need. So just double check you've got everything you're expecting. If there's any problems, then let us know.